Why your brain feels broken and how to fix it? Do you feel in your brain foggy? Do you feel it is too heavy and you can't tolerate it? It makes you sick, it makes you angry. If your answer is yes, be here. I'm going to teach you on this whiteboard, firstly, why it happens and how to fix it. Be here. Let's say this circle represents our brain. This circle represents our body. And now, at this moment, the pure energy, it is invisible. You can see by your five senses. It's flowing to your brain at this moment. It's flowing to your brain at this moment. You may say, I don't believe it. It's okay. It doesn't matter that you believe or no, because it's not based on belief. It's based on understanding and science. We are living at this moment that I'm recording this video in 2025. What happens? This energy flows to your brain. This energy activates the current existent neural pathways in your brain. Here I'm going to show you what do I mean. People, we have billions of brain cells in our brain. We have billions of brain cells. We don't know exactly the number of brain cells, but we have billions of brain cells in our brain. This pure energy flows to our brain and it activates. We don't know exactly how much percentage of these neural pathways, this energy activates some of these neural pathways. And based what it activates those neural pathways, and what happens? It activates these neural pathways based on what your five senses here, what your five senses takes. These five senses take information via your environment. Let's say it is environment here. These five senses, they take information via your environment and help you to start thinking about what? Simply saying, the energy flows to your brain, it activates some part of neural pathways based on the way you use your five senses to take information from outside world in order to activate the current neural pathways that you have recorded your past failures and successes, past traumas, past good experiences and bad experiences in these neural pathways that are spread all over your brain. And now what happens? You start engaging in negative thinking. You engage more. One negative thought attracts other negative thought. They together attract and magnetize other one. Here, you feel too negative. It is too heavy. I understand. Look, I understand your pain point. You also understand me that why I'm teaching this. The point here is to help you to get rid of this mental negative thinking and feeling of Firstly, by understanding how it happens. The energy, pure energy, flows to your brain. It activates some parts of your neural pathways in your brain. To do what? Look, to bring some information from your memory that are in imperfect harmony with what you see with your five senses at this moment. And those things that you see or you imagine destructively, they are activating your past failing experiences to do what? To make you feel foggy. Your brain is foggy. You don't feel good. You feel very bad. And you don't know even why this happens, and even maybe you know why, but you don't know how to control it. Here I'm going to dive to the next part. So from till now, we learned that our brain takes data, information, energy constantly. And these data, energy, activates some part of our memory to keeps us in that negative or emotional state. You know this problem, so here we are going to dive into how to fix this. How can we fix this? Look, here. I don't want to clean here, I want to teach you the rest. Look, here we have our consciousness. We have our consciousness. What do I mean? We have our own understanding and awareness. To do what? Look, we can make decision to start using our imagination. Imagination is one of your higher faculties. Higher faculties. Only mankind has the higher faculties. Animals, they don't have higher faculties. They operate only by their five senses. Smell, taste, touch. But we all have the mental faculties. Here we can start using one of our mental faculties. The so-called one is imagination. To do what? To imagine what we want. I know you may say it is too childish. It's not. In fact, it's not childish. It is completely scientific. It is completely scientific to start using your imagination to create what you want, to create new brain cells in your brain about what you want. If you do so, you are going to create a lot of brain cells that are going to interconnect and create neural pathways based on what? Based on what you have imagined. And then what's going to happen? Look here, we said energy flows to your brain and activates some parts of your memory or neural pathways based on what? Either based on what you see via your five senses or based on what you imagine. Here is the key. I revealed a key. If you are smart, you already got it, I know. If not, keep rewatching what I told you. Keep rewatching the video. If you keep imagining what you want, you're going to create a lot of neural pathways about what you want, and then energy is going to flow into your brain constantly and activate those new brain cells to do what? To start thinking about what you want. To do what? To start thinking about what you want in order to stop your mental fogginess. You say, I feel foggy. Really, if you feel foggy, if you want to get rid of this, You're going to use your own mental power to imagine. Imagine what you want. That's all. I know it requires mental toughness to do that, but if you do that, you are going to create really a beautiful life for yourself and others. If not, then you are going to get stuck in current paradigm or current memory, the negative one. And then the energy flows to your brain and you don't know, and you're going to engage with the past neural pathways, and by thinking about that negative things, you are strengthening and also empowering the current neural pathways in your brain. So here, what should you do? You should start using your imagination. It is not childish, it is not for children, it is for all humanity all over the world. But can you do that? Let me know, are you willing to use your imagination or not? Let me know your comments, let me know your questions, what you think, and also share this video with other people, and I'm going to create new videos based on this and other things. And also be happy, love you all, till the next one.